wait. Oh.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Today we are here at SeaWorld Orlando to ride its newest attraction, Pipeline the Surf Coaster. So this new coaster, Pipeline the Surf Coaster, opens at SeaWorld on May 27th. Now it is open for an early preview to annual pass holders and their guests. So you must be asking, did I buy a SeaWorld annual pass? Yes, I did, just to come and ride this coaster early. But I bought the annual pass that includes SeaWorld and Busch Gardens. So be prepared to see more videos from not only SeaWorld, but Busch Gardens as well. But I did not come alone. Guys, I brought Pedro with me here today. I know it's been a while since he's been on the camera, but I brought Pedro today so we can ride Pipeline. You all, it has been so long since I've been here to SeaWorld Orlando. It has been almost 5 years since I've been here, almost to the day. May 2018. I think it was May 25th, 2018 is the last time I have been here. I was only here for about an hour and a half because I was dumb and took my phone on, I believe it was Manta, and completely, it flew out of my pocket, it cracked, destroyed my phone. I'll show you guys a video of it right now. But yeah, it's been about 5 years since I've been here at SeaWorld. So if you all want to see more SeaWorld and Busch Gardens videos, let me know down below in the comments. But right now, let's head over to Pipeline and ride this new roller coaster. So today's video is going to be kind of short. We only really came here to ride the new Pipeline coaster as well as ride Mako, because I've never ridden that coaster before and it is definitely one of the most popular coasters here in Orlando. That's what we're going to do today. So it's going to be kind of a short video. But if you all do, once again, want more SeaWorld and Busch Garden videos, let me know down below in the comments.
Crotch?
Yep, my crotch area a little bit.
Yeah, definitely not the most comfortable ride. I also wish that there was like a little bit of an armrest or something.
Yeah. Here we go.
Like we're still moving, we're still moving.
We're still moving.
Yep. Just like that. Oh my god. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Woohoo. Oh my crotch. Oh. Oh my god. So bad. That did hurt. That last one, I let go too on that.
I like rammed into me. Oh. Oh my god.
That hurt is bad. Oh dude. I would have been pissed off.
That was anticlimactic.
We were just standing there and I said, where's the splash zone? You're welcome, people.
I'll be honest, that was kind of anticlimactic. I thought it was going to be a lot bigger splash. But we just came off of Pipeline. But before we talk about it and our opinions on it, we're heading to Waterway Grove because SeaWorld right now is holding a promotion, I believe, that everyone 21 and older gets a free 7-ounce beer. So we're going to go try and see if that's...
For limited time.
Till July 27th. But we're going to go inside and check out and see if it's actually true. Well, they are doing the free 7-ounce beer for guests 21 and older. There's only 2 beers that you could choose from for the 7-ounce beer, but we got this and then bought another beer as well. But now through, I believe, July 27th, they're giving out free beer here at the Waterview Grill, I believe it's called. I'll put it in here so you all can see. But yeah, also if you're an annual pass holder, you get 5% or you get a discount on beer. I got 5% because I have the silver pass. But yeah, 5% on beer, or 5% on alcohol, I should say. Not a bad deal. Alright, so we have ridden Pipeline, the new surf coaster here at SeaWorld Orlando. I'm going to let Pedro do the honors and give his review on it.
Overall, it's like a 7.3, I think. So there was no line whatsoever. It was a walk-on for this preview, and we only rode it twice because we couldn't do it anymore. It's uncomfortable. It hurts. It's very uncomfortable in your collarbone. And at first I thought it was going to be just because I'm like a really tall, big guy, but no, everybody else was having the same issue. On your collarbone, it hurts a lot. And then like there's like a weird pressure on your legs if you have your legs down, because the ride knocks you up and down, and obviously you're standing. But it's fun, it's a fun ride. Front row was so much better. Our first time we rode it in the back, and I'll give that like a 3 out of 10. But like the front row was definitely like an 8 to a 9. So overall, I'll give it like a 7.2.
I'd have to go around the same score as Pedro. I'm gonna go around a 7.5. Like he said, we sat towards the middle back area the first time through. Hard to see everything, obviously, because you have the people sitting in front of you. Very uncomfortable, especially for all the guys out there in the, I'll say in the crotch region. It is very uncomfortable. Also, once again, the restraints on the collarbones were, had a lot of pressure on them, so kind of uncomfortable there as well. And then I thought the bounce around was really cool to a certain extent, because then, like Pedro said, you did feel a lot of pressure in your legs. But definitely a unique coaster. We'll have to come back and ride it again soon. Probably not in the near future, but like we said, we rode twice. I'd give it a 7.5 out of 10. Definitely a very unique and different type of coaster here at SeaWorld Orlando. So we left the Waterview Grill, still have our beers in hand, but like I said earlier, it has been a very, very long time since I've been here to SeaWorld Orlando, and I have never actually ridden Mako before. And this is definitely one of the most popular roller coasters here in all of Orlando. So after we finish our beers, we're gonna go and ride Mako and show you guys a little POV of that. All right, here we go, on to Mako.
My favorite coaster in the entire country.
But he's also, you have to realize, Pedro has never ridden Velocicoaster or Hagrid's.
Yes, I haven't been to Universal in a really long time, but I've been to obviously all the Disney parks, Disneyland Paris, the Six Flags, a couple of Six Flags around the country.
And this is your favorite?
This is my favorite coaster. It's similar to in Six Flags Great Adventure in New Jersey. There's a roller coaster called Nitro. Pretty sure this is like the same company that built the same coaster. But it's super, super smooth, super, super fast, which is what I like. And my favorite part is that it's the waist restraint and not the shoulder restraint.
So it's the same waist restraint as Velocicoaster.
I hate the shoulder restraints. So this one.
Well, especially the pipeline that we just went on, it's very tight.
Yeah, so these are a lot better.
But yeah, this is my first time riding Mako. I'm excited. Obviously, it's a very, very popular coaster here in Orlando. It's a lot of people's favorites, even with Velocicoaster. So we're gonna go try it out. We're gonna ride it. We'll let you know when we get off. Also, there seems to be, besides the water rides, there's literally zero.
I mean, hey, listen, the park is packed. We waited almost 30 to 40 minutes to park the car.
Yeah.
And like, it's hard to walk. There's people everywhere. But on the big coasters, there's no line. No. I'm assuming it's because there's a lot of families with young kids.
Yeah, we walked, that's the Sesame Street. That thing was so crazy.
But the coasters are pretty empty. I know that the ride is like right here, so I don't, they closed 20 minutes, I think it would be 10.
Yeah, not even a bad wait.
Let's go, my people.
Let's go, let's go.
I don't think,
oh Lord.
I'm not sure, but I think this might be the tallest roller coaster drop-in in Orlando. It's taller than Rough Ride Rocket for sure. I can't think of anything else that might be taller.
No, you literally can see everything from here.
You can see everything, look.
Oh, Epic Universe is going to be right there.
Universe, you can see Universe. I swear you can see Epcot somewhere.
If you look back, you can see Epcot.
Yeah. Oh, here we go. That was quick.
Oh.
No, this is like straight out that.
That drop's insane.
That's awesome. Best ride, best roller coaster by far.
I think I like Velocicoaster better, but that is a close second. Like, that is a very close second.
Hot day here at SeaWorld Orlando. We're gonna finish off the best spot in the park. We all know it. You know, probably already know what I'm talking about before I even say it, but I'm talking about the SeaWorld store. So let's go in here.
Take us and show us some of the merch.
Let's grab a couple of baby Shamus. If you and your friends like alcohol, nothing like this Shamu shot glass. Look at this thing. This thing is big, thick. 2, 3 of these, you're good.
What's the price on that? What's it running?
For $15.99, you can have one of these yourself. It's kind of unbelievable. Like, this place is just amazing. Let me tell you a story about SeaWorld. When I was a kid, I had one of those like blow-up inflatable Shamus for the pool. And I'm sure a lot of you had one of those too, because it's not a SeaWorld thing. You can buy them at the store. And it was just like in our pool. Not like that one. I mean, that's just that's like a stuffed animal. I'm talking like a pool inflatable thing.
Oh yeah.
You can ride it sometimes. It was just in our pool, and then one day we had like a pool party, like with the family and stuff. And my uncle just jumped on it and blew it up. And then he looked at me and he said, "Sorry."
So it sits with you to this day.
That's the story. Yeah. Every time I see him, and if we're near a pool, I would always tell him, "Sorry." Now, if you guys aren't particularly SeaWorld fans, this is where you're gonna want to hit. Sesame Street corner, boom, everything Elmo, Big Bird, name it, they have it. So, for example, if you'd like a Cookie Monster bib, here you go. They have it. I bet you can't find that at World of Disney. Let's keep moving. What's this guy's name? Dracula. Great toy. Got a funny voice, but Michael Scott loves him, so there you go. What else they got here? Harper. Elmo, is this like a bubble blower? We're not sure. We're gonna mess with it. We're gonna find out.
It says Bubble One right there.
There you go, kids. That's what happens when you learn how to read. So it's sealed, so I can't test it out, which I don't like. So overall, I'm giving the SeaWorld store here 9.7. It would have been a 10 if I could have tested that out, but it's okay. We'll settle with the 9.7.
Well, as you all just saw from Pedro, we left the best gift shop ever in a theme park,
Amazing.
The SeaWorld store. But before leaving, we have to talk about Mako. Now, that is an amazing roller coaster. I see the hype. It deserves the hype. I cannot put it above Velocicoaster. That's my personal opinion. It is number 2 though. That thing is so fast. I was flying out of my seat. It was amazing. Such a great coaster. If you guys are coming here to SeaWorld Orlando, definitely go on Mako. Obviously, it's Pedro's favorite. If Velocicoaster wasn't a thing, it would 100% be my favorite. I give it.
Go on, and then we'll see.
We'll see Pedro's rating once he gets on Velocicoaster. We'll have to get him a Universal Orlando pass. But I would overall give Mako a 9.6. 9.7 is going to Velocicoaster. What would you overall rate?
9.8 for me for Mako. Listen, if you've ever been on any of the coasters with those waist restraints, you know that you feel pretty much like nothing's holding you back. Like, obviously, safety is very important at these theme parks, but it felt like you weren't safe. It felt like you were gonna slip out and you get out like at any minute, because there's so many like up and downs in that coaster, and you go so fast, and we were in the front row, so it really feels like you're getting off your seat. And that initial drop, we'll have to fact check this, but I think it's the tallest coaster in Florida. I don't think there's anything that beats it that I can think of.
Maybe Iron Gwazi now that it's open.
Maybe
in Busch Gardens, but like you said, the whole coaster, like, I was coming out of my seat. Obviously, we probably had a few choice words if you guys go back to the video while we were riding the ride, but it is so much fun.
And it's
definitely
long.
It's a long coaster.
Yeah.
Definitely 100% the best ride here at SeaWorld Orlando. But Pipeline, we enjoyed Pipeline. It's a little uncomfortable, you know, in some areas of the body, but overall, good coaster, fun coaster, definitely very, very unique. But that is going to end our day here at SeaWorld Orlando. But if you did enjoy today's video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, as it really does help out the channel a lot. And if you are new here to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. But once again, that is going to be it from our day here at SeaWorld Orlando. If you want more SeaWorld and Busch Gardens videos, once again, let me know down below in the comments, and we will see you in the next video.
Right in the comments. Welcome back, Cam.
Peace out.